take you on the boat chute to Lake Winnie. Hey boo, don't you want to go with me? We'll ride that incline 100 times. Let's go now, look, there ain't no lines. I wanna take you on the boat chute to Lake Winnie. Gonna kiss your lips for 1,000 months of Sunday. 'Cause I'd do anything to see you smile. Gonna walk with you on a never-ending highway, where the sunset just goes on and on for miles. I'll walk with you till our feet get sore, pick you up and we'll walk some more. Gonna kiss your lips for 1,000 months of Sunday. And I'd give up anything to keep you, but I'd let you go to set you free. And then I'd wait right here forever, and just to watch you come walking back to me. I'd put down the whiskey if you'd ask me. Yeah, I'd never touch another drop again. 'Cause I'd do anything to make you happy, and just like you were when our love first began. Yeah, I'd turn that bottle upside down. That's what it'd do to your friend. Girl, I'd put down that old whiskey if you'd ask me. And I'd give up anything to keep you, but I'd let you go to set you free. And then I'd wait right here forever, and just to watch you come walking back to me. Wanna take you on the boat chute to Lake Winnie. Well, hey boo, don't you want to go with me? We'll ride that incline 100 times. Let's go now, look, there ain't no lines. I wanna take you on the boat chute to Lake Winnie.